Hi, I'm Justin Rockford. I'm here to demonstrate Newton's third law. Every action has an opposite and equal reaction. This is my test platform, which is a modified Tonka truck. The purple block is the engine mount. The engine is mounted up on top of this, so all the thrust clears the back of the truck and does not counteract the demonstration. The blue block is the engine brace. The engine will be placed directly up against it, directing the thrust into the truck, and hopefully stopping the engine from breaking free from its mount. Enough of this talking, let's give this rocket truck a try. Our first engine is a Estes 1/2 A3, generating 1.25 newtons of second impulse and approximately 8.3 newtons of force. We're going to start off with a 1/2 A engine.
Right?
The truck measured about 16 inches in movement. Our second engine is a Estes A10 generating 2.5 newtons second impulse and 13 newtons of thrust. Distance move is about 41 inches. Now to demonstrate a lot of action and therefore reaction, we're using a D12, producing 20 Newton impulse seconds and 32.9 newtons at max thrust. Let's light this candle.
Let's go.
Feet. Forget the tape. This thing's off the charts. As we applied more thrust, action, the reaction was the car going farther and farther.